back in Athens. It's Wednesday, February, good question, I have no idea, 18th. I didn't do anything for the first couple of days I was back. Not because I was so physically tired, I was kind of mentally tired. It's a lot of people seeing and talking, so I have decompressed. I did go yesterday out to the supermarket, but that's all I've done. I am on my way to the metro because I am going to Piraeus. No, I'm not getting on a ferry and going to Naxos. I wish I was. But one of my friends is coming into town to go to Naxos, to go to Carnival. I had thought about going, but because I had to go to Qatar, I was like, there's no way that I can come and then a week later and leave and go to Carnival. I'll just be worn out. And as we know, when I do too much, it's too much. So I'm going to meet her for dinner, so that way I at least get to see her once while she's here. She was supposed to stay with me. They called a taxi strike. And getting from my apartment to Piraeus without a taxi takes a Herculean effort because it's not well connected. You have to take a bus to the metro, and the bus doesn't run, so you'd have to walk. The bus doesn't run that early. I came up to the pedestrian bridge to show you guys the magnificent sunset. Glad I came down here a little early, because if I'd left a little bit later, I might have missed it. My friend isn't quite here yet because the bus does take time, but I wanted to walk around a little bit. Okay, really honestly, I want to go to IKEA. Here's the tiny IKEA. I'm just gonna wander around in here until my friend gets here because her hotel is across the street. I didn't buy anything, which is probably a good thing. There are few things that I'd like to have. I wasn't sure if they'd have what I wanted or not, so they really don't. I need to go to the bigger one. I really need to find a better store. And now that I have the car, maybe I can do that. So my friend should be here soon. I don't know what the traffic is like. When I came back from Qatar, their farmers were protesting in Syntagma, and it took me an hour and a half to get from the airport to my house, which is crazy. I've never had it take that long. So I'm gonna walk over to her hotel and see, but I don't think she's here yet. She was not there yet, so I'm gonna walk down to the bus stop and see if I can meet her there. It's actually warmer down here than it was when I left in the city. It could be also that the IKEA had their heat on. But when I left my house, I was actually kind of cold. Maybe I'm finally adjusting. I've been so hot. And Qatar was, really hot, so I'll take it. The food at that place is always so good, so it's Steki to Artemis. Tis Artemis? Has to be Tis. Anyway, it's where I go every time I come to Piraeus. And in addition to what I showed you guys, we also got zucchini balls. Cool. I don't remember what I was talking about because the announcement interrupted me. And it was a good thing I was paying attention because the red line that I would take from Syntagma is currently closed for track work. So I'm having to get out and take the bus. Hence why I'm in Syntagma. So let's hope the bus is 20 minutes away. And, it is what it is. I can't take a taxi because the taxis are on a 3-day strike and potentially going to strike even longer. So, anyway, as I was about to cross the street, I saw that my bus was going by and it was going to be another 24 minutes. So they've created a temporary bus. Or maybe it's a new bus. It's an express bus. It'll take me to Sigru. So at least then I can walk from there. But it's like 8 degrees. I really don't want to wait for 24 minutes from a bus. So I'm going to take this one and then walk. It'll be faster. Not super faster, but faster. This is where I would have gotten off at the metro, so this works out well. It's definitely a new bus, because there is a 15, but it's not an express bus. This is the X15, and it didn't drop me on Segru. It dropped me one over, which I believe is Caloroy. Whatever, it's not that far apart, so no big deal. And it's warmer up here. Down in Piraeus, when it started to drop, it got cold. My friends wanted to walk around and take pictures. It was like, I'm freezing. You can kind of tell my nose is a little bit red. So, but it's not windy. This feels a little bit like deja vu today. I am going to Pankrati to go to the bookstore to get the book club book for the month. However, I'm very sad because after 14 years of being open, the bookstore has decided to close, which is sad to me in so many reasons. One, I loved the book club. I love the bookstore. I've made friends, and so I don't know what's going to happen. So our last meeting is next week, and the bookstore is going to close March 15th. So if you're seeing this and you love this bookstore like me, it's probably not going to be here when you get back. So I don't know. I'm going to go in and see if I can find out the story. I mean, there had been rumors that it was going to close, but you know, that had been for months. So we thought, oh, it's not happening. Well, now it's happening. Well, now I'm even more sad because they've decided to not hold next week's book club because they're packing everything up, even though they're going to be open for another month. So I bought the book, and I bought another book, and I'll just have to come back by before they close. I don't think there'll be much left. I didn't really get to ask them, because the owner was there, so I didn't get to ask my friend what was going on, and they're busy. They're trying to pack everything up because some of the vendors are going to let them return books, so that's good. And the owner did come over and say she was sorry. I think she's the owner. I've never met her before, so what am I going to do for a bookstore? I mean, there are plenty of bookstores, but these guys are super friendly, and the book club made it so nice. So I know I'm kind of lamenting about this, but it was one of the things that I looked forward to the most every month. And I actually was scheduling my travel, knowing when the book club was going to meet and when it wasn't going to meet. So if that tells you anything, I'm just gonna have to find something else, I guess. On the bright side, it's a beautiful day. I decided I would walk home to make myself feel better and see a few sights along my way. I get to pass by this, and then I can see the Acropolis on my way back too. So, sometimes I hate change, and then sometimes I love it. This is one of those ones I hate. I am walking past the ruins of the old ancient church, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's a turtle. It's right there. It's the first turtle I've seen. Seems a little early, but I'm sure this warm weather today might be a little bit confusing. And he's kind of young. I mean, he's not little, but he's not one of the big ones I usually see. Well, that was a nice spot, things to see today. Looking for something to eat, and there's plenty to eat. We've had so much rain. I even got a weather warning on my phone today saying that it was going to rain tomorrow night, so I'll take it. It means that the mosquitoes might be really bad this year, but compared to the years where we have had no rain and the islands are desperate for water, I'll take it. It's Friday night. It is about 7:45. I'm meeting a friend. Well, my friend's picking me up and we're going to dinner. And I haven't gone outside today because it was so windy that I could hear like furniture being pushed around on other balconies and my awning was going nuts. And since my asthma does not like wind, I was like, I guess I'm staying inside. I intended to go to the ikea today. But I decided not to risk it. The wind has died down, but now it's raining. But rain doesn't usually make me have asthma problems and then leads to bronchitis. So hopefully it will be fine. I am on my way to meet friends for lunch, but I thought I'd walk down Ermu. It is full of people playing music today. I've seen a few people dressed for Carnival, but not as many as I thought there would be. That's okay. I'm enjoying the weather. It rained last night. Like when I was going to get into my friend's car, I had to like jump across a puddle, big puddle. But like we were talking about it last night, we were like, we always need the rain. So, and then it stopped. We are always getting new things here, and we have gotten an arket. And if I wasn't on my way to meet friends, I would stop in here and shop for a while. I think I have a little bit of time. So I'm just gonna take a quick run through. I'm loving everything in here. They have men's and women's, a little bit of home goods stuff. Exciting. Already found several things in there I like. And next door is a Coast, which I think is also new. That made my day. I don't like a lot of the European brands because they're a lot of fast fashion. So, and even though arket is more expensive, I don't mind, and it's stuff that I'll wear for a long time because it's all really basic. Not a lot of it is trendy. Some of it is, but not overly so. I'm off Ermu. It was way too crowded, and plus I need to kind of be over on this side. I'm meeting my friends over by the Agora, so just as crowded over here. It's that everybody's eating, so they're not in my way. I'm finding this area very overstimulating today. So much music, and it's like blaringly everywhere. Oh, it looks like the Agora is getting some pathways. That's exciting. I knew they were working over there on the bridge, but I hadn't seen this part yet. We jetted out of lunch because it started to thunder, surprisingly. We had all this lovely sun and then suddenly thunder and probably rain. So taking the metro one stop to come to Signtogma to try to get on the bus, because if it's raining and I have to take the metro, then I have a long walk in the rain with no umbrella. I hope it's not raining yet. Otherwise I have to sprint for the bus. Not raining yet, but when I got off the elevator, it was thundering. So, definitely gonna start. So, I made the right decision. I really wanted to walk home because it was supposed to be really nice. It wasn't supposed to rain until tomorrow. Oh well. At least I walked earlier. Kind of looks like I just woke up, but I didn't. I've just had a long day of work and then Greek lessons. And yesterday I didn't do anything because when I was out on Saturday and the weather changed, it affected my ears, and I was in horrible pain yesterday in my left ear. That's my problem ear. And so just laid on the couch most of the day and tried to make it go away. So I'm gonna go to the supermarket now, and I know sometimes you guys like to see how much things cost. So I'm gonna go, I'm not buying a lot though, so I'll just kind of show you briefly. Hopefully there won't be a lot of people and I can actually show you. I will not be showing you because I completely forgot that it's a clean Monday. That's what happens when you have to work on the Greek holidays. I guess I'll be ordering some food for dinner because I have nothing. Well, because of all the work I've had to do this week, I just didn't get out and film anymore. I did go to the pharmacy last night, but I can't really show you guys that because it's too close to my house. So I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's Thursday and this needs to go out today. So we'll see you guys in the next one.